goes against it, it pushes it into the groove. Okay. Okay, you want to get as close as possible. Sometimes when you're sewing, certain fabrics are very bulky, right? So when you get to the waistline area, try and be a little bit relaxed, because if not, the zipper head won't be able to push up, right? So when we get to the teeth, right, don't push against it too much, relax it, okay, and then we can go back, okay, and stitch against the teeth. Okay, when you get to the notch, stop and back tap. Any questions? And clip off all your excess threads. Okay. So now we are going to go to the left side. Okay. The most important thing is that we want to match our waistline, right? So I'm going to tag that area in place. Okay. Where we marked. So I'm matching the mark to my waistline. Okay, I'm going to tack it. Okay, just to keep it in place. Okay, now I can double check again to make sure that my seam is matching before I continue. Okay. Okay. Right? So it's matching. Okay, so now I have to go ahead to finish my zipper. To start from my zipper notch, right? Try and open your zipper tip, okay? Make sure that your stitch is getting as close as possible, okay, to the tip, okay, so that the zipper will not be exposed when you're done, okay? Stitch all the way up. Open your teeth. Try and make sure that you're getting as close as possible to it. Okay, when you get to the knot, stop and back tap. Any questions? Please clip off all your excess threads. Okay, so let's try it again. Make sure that it's even and functions. Okay. Cool. So it works, it's clean. Any questions before I continue? If you guys want to see it before I continue, you're good. Okay, so now our waistline is matching, right? Our zipper is in. Okay, we need to finish that bottom hole, right? We need to close it. Okay? Okay. So with this, we are only going to stitch, okay, on the top layer, right? Clip off all your excess threads. now I'm changing my foot to my left zipper foot. So you need both foots in order to put in your invisible zipper. Okay, so we have 2 layers, right? The chiffon is on top. Okay, so I'm only going to stitch on the chiffon part, right? We want to close this gap below the zipper. Okay, so I lift my chiffon. Okay, then I move all my fabric, the chameuse, to the right. Okay, now I'm going to go on my existing 1/4 inch stitch. Okay, going to stitch. Start. Okay. So I'm only stitching on the chameuse, right? And I'm moving all my fabric away, okay, to my right. Right? Now I want to find the edge of my zipper. Okay, move the head away. You don't want it to interfere. Okay, so I'm going to go on my French seam of the chiffon. Okay, then I'm going to stitch up, okay, to my notch, my zipper notch. Okay, and then back tap. Make sure that your stitch is going against your zipper. Make sure you've moved your chameuse out of the way, okay, and you're only stitching on. Okay. Also, remember that we clipped to the French seam, right? So make sure your stitch, okay, goes behind the French seam at least about 1/8, right? Just to hold it in place, okay? Okay, then we're going to just stitch against our zipper, okay, to maybe 1/4 inch past the zipper notch. Okay, clip off all your excess threads. Okay, then double check to make sure that the gap is closed. Okay, and then the end is straight. Okay, any questions?